Okay, this is where I kind of hit a glitch when I was going through this. I'll show you this one, and be careful because foolish. I have egg on my face. I sent it off to tech services, and right after I sent it, I realized that I did not do all information. I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can insert symbols, and if I get the incorrect, you'll see which way not to do it. Okay? Like I said before, you can do these tasks, in several different ways in Word, but when dealing with the SAM program and in the simulation, you have to do it the way they want it done. Okay? Alright, so now it says apply shaded square bullet symbol, Wingdings. Love the name. You gotta love the name. 114 to the 4 paragraphs that begin with all information displayed and end with insurance claims. Notice the all information displayed, which is just, this is kind of bizarre to me to highlight this, but it's what they want. And then you just scroll over. Okay, so now there's two ways you can do it. You can go to insert symbols here and then more symbols. And scroll down to W, and then just scroll down. These are numbered, right? So these are numbers. See, if I click this one that's highlighted, it tells me right here, 192. It's not what they want. So you figure, okay, I'm at 192, and we want 114. So maybe that one would be it. Okay. Now, if I click on insert, it's going to come up incorrect. They don't want it done this way. I just wanted to show you one way to have it done. The way that they want you to do it is, if I can remember it, I have to tell you that I'm sorry, a lot of times I forget because I do it a certain way, and when I do it that way, let's see, symbols, I forget the other ways. Paragraph, no, I think it's design. Let me check the book. I think it's layout, paragraph. No, it's not paragraph. Let's see. Okay, and so the next one, the second way to do it is go to paragraphs. Right here where it shows the bullets, go to define new bullets, go to symbol, go here to Wingdings. Since you already know it's 114 and what it kind of looks like, we're at 128, so we went too far. So it's this one, and if this says I get it wrong, I'm going to go spring. Alright, so I click OK. And make sure I click OK here. And yay! Correct. Alright, so it shows me I've completed. If you open all these tabs, I always click Launch All, so it will just take me to the next one, and I do all of them right after the other. Okay?